Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print an envelope in Google Docs. First, open a blank document in Google Docs. Then click on Extensions in the top menu bar. From the Extensions menu, select Create and Print Labels. Now click on Create Labels in the sidebar that appears. Click on Select a Template. From the options, choose Envelopes. Next, select the size of your envelope. You will see options like DL or size 10 envelopes. Once you have selected the envelope size, click on Use to apply your chosen size. Enter the recipient's address in the designated area. You can customize the font, color, and alignment using the Google Docs formatting options. Then click on Create Envelopes to generate your envelope design. Now go to the File menu and click on Print to print your envelopes. Click Print. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.